Good morning, everyone. Today we have come together to celebrate the National Space Day, a day dedicated to honoring our national achievements in space exploration. India will celebrate its first National Space Day on August 23, 2024. It is the beginning of many more upcoming India's progress in space science and technology. The National Space Day will be celebrated national-wide. This year's theme for National Space Day 2024 is India's Space Saga. By celebrating National Space Day, we aim for the future generation to get inspired. It's for the next generation of scientists, engineers and space enthusiasts. This day showcases the national pride, scientific excellence and India pride, scientific excellence and India's growing influence in the global space community.
India successfully landed on Chandrayaan-3 Vikram lander in the lunar South Pole region. Because of this, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has announced August 23 as the National Space Day of India. This will be widely celebrated in India as it is a historic moment. India successfully landed its Chandrayaan-3, making fourth nation to achieve a lunar landing and the first to reach the moon's surface, southern polar region. It is the first of many upcoming achievements of India in the field of space science and technology.
This day serves as an honor to the ISRO scientists and engineers whose innovations made India the first nation to reach the moon's southern polar region. This day is meant to inspire the future generation of year to study science, technology, mathematics and engineering. It aims to encourage children to dream big and take part in innovations. The National Space Day symbolizes national pride, scientific excellence and India's growth in global scientific community. It raises awareness about the importance of space exploration and its various aspects of life on Earth. To commemorate National Space Day 2024, a series of events are being hosted.
The scientists, engineers and support staff at ISRO have worked tirelessly to bring this mission to fruition. This decision and passion are an inspiration to us all and a reminder to what can be achieved through teamwork and perseverance. National Space Day is a chance of all of us, especially the young minds, to engage with the wonder of space. As we celebrate National Space Day, let us be inspired by the spirit of exploration. Let us support and encourage the pursuit of knowledge and continue to reach for the stars. Let us support the ongoing efforts in space research and encourage the spirit of discovery as well that drive us forward. By doing so, we honor the legacy of our space mission and pave the way for future advancement that will continue to inspire and benefit humanity. Thank you and happy National Space Day.